amazing world. Shoebill, the majestic king of the swamps. The Shoebill balanus epsirax is a large bird known for its massive, shoe-shaped bill. This bird can be found in Central Africa, including regions like Uganda, Sudan, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Here are some interesting facts about the shoebill. Large size. This bird can grow up to 1.4 meters, about 4.5 feet in height, with a wingspan reaching to 0.5 meters, about 8 feet. This makes it one of the largest predatory birds in the world. Patient hunter. The shoebill is incredibly patient while hunting. It often stands still for hours, waiting for prey to approach, before attacking with remarkable speed. Eerie sound. Although they appear calm, shoebills can produce loud, eerie sounds, such as a booming or gunshot noise, especially when they feel threatened.